Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on Glam Glow FlashMud Brightening Treatment Face Mask. So it is a international brand made in California, Hollywood. Here is the instructions for application. Mostly said to avoid the eye area and use sunscreen after using it. Or limit the sun exposure. And here it shows the product, how much it contains. This container contains 5 ounce and it is pretty expensive. It will last you up to 4 to 5 uses. Now let's see what's inside. As you can see, it's a white cream-like texture with green tea. Let's see how is the texture. Like as cream, but you can see small granules, beads. And let me tell you, these are not normal type of exfoliating beads. These are diamond-shaped cut beads. So to start with the application, wash your face, pat dry with a soft towel. This face mask has a smell of citrus like fruit. As it is a brightening face mask, I guess more of vitamin C is there. So apply it evenly. A little goes a long way. So apply less and then see where all you need to apply more. To pre-exfoliate your skin, apply this in circular motion with your fingertips and be gentle to your skin, as the beads are sharp. It is diamond cut and more of like a professional spa kind of a face mask. So be gentle to your skin. It removes dead skin and clears your skin. That is why it is said to use sunscreen after applying this, or even to limit the exposure of sun. Massage it for 2 minutes and then let it stay for 20 minutes, and this mask will turn semi-transparent. That means more of the goodness from this mask has been absorbed to your skin. Must avoid the eye area, as it has the thinnest skin on your face and on your body. So never scrub your under eyes. As you can see, I am scrubbing it off with little water and again in circular motion. Be gentle to your skin. Now wash your face with water and then pat dry with a soft towel. As this diamond shaped beads will remove the dead skin evenly, as no other scrub does it. As you can see the result, the skin is bright, even, soft, smooth to touch. It has cleared my skin. Do like and subscribe my channel.